Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our exit tutorial is going. Today our class topic is school exam result inquiry term wise sheet, and we also will cover VLOOKUP, choose, match, list, and data validation and other commands we will study today. So I am Khurram Mansoor. Now we will start our Excel tutorial. So here see, you are looking this sheet on the screen. You are looking this sheet. Same sheet you can make, and the same sheet you can make on your Excel sheet, right? Or here, so first term result you can make this sheet. Under it there is a sheet, there is a table you are looking. Here same sheet you can copy, and you can make, or one more copy paste you can make one more. So right, and change these subjects marks you can change, right? These marks you can change. Now we start. See here you are looking term result 1 is 2. See if I change 1, so now see, look here, marks is changing. Bottom there, here our marks is changing, right? See, look here, changing. If I change the subject also, so its marks is changing. Now it's term 2, and in English subject student name is Ajay. We go to here, Ajay, Mr. Ajay, subject is English, right? Marks is 70. See here 70, right? Same 70 marks is here. So we can extract quickly. We can extract the marks if so many classes and so many students, so we can quickly marks. So I also made the sheet program. So on school school report card or school student marks sheet, I also made program some. Inshallah I will upload it on the YouTube. So now we start here. So here it's first we remove this list, we remove it. Go to data validation, and here clear all. Here see, go and remove also it, nothing. See here English, so also we remove it. Go to data validation, and list here, right? So I also remove it here. Okay, next I go to student name, also remove this data validation again, and click clear all. Okay, right? And here also formula I remove it. So here also I remove this also. Okay, now we can apply the list. We apply the list. So go to here term, click here, and go to data, then data validation, again data validation, allow list, allow list, and source. Click here under the source. Our source is we require 1 and 2. Here are in the first term 1 and 2 we select, only 1 and 2 we select here, and okay, press OK. See here we got 1 and 2, it's working. Okay, working. Then subject, we select subject. So here subject, go to data, then data validation, again here list, click here, and click here. Then we require subjects. So math, English, physics, computer subject, we select these 4 subjects, we select, right? I select again. Here we select these 4 subjects, I select, right? Okay, press OK. Now here I check 4 subjects are here, it's working. And subject student names, so student names, click here, student name, data, then data validation, again data validation. Here allow, list, and source. Now we require student names. All student names are here, select the student names, and here press OK. Now student names, all student names are here, right? Or here under it we apply here formula, we apply our formula, right? So start, go to the formula bar, equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, and lookup value is over here. Tanya, you are looking here, these all student names are our lookup value, comma, after lookup value one more command, choose function we apply here, bracket open, after our lookup value is here term 1, this term 1. See, index number is term 1, 1 and 2. Here click here, comma, then then we require value 1 and 2. So we go to the first term, we go here first term, select this table, complete from Sagar, start from Sagar, this table, select this table, right? Okay, then comma, after comma select the second term table, complete from Sagar, start, you are looking here, second table also we select, and bracket close, sorry, bracket close, and comma, after comma we apply match match formula, match, bracket open. After this, lookup value is our subjects, all subject, click here, all subject, comma, then here we require also subjects from student names, select from student name till last, you select this, right? And comma 0, bracket close, one more bracket we have to close, comma 0, bracket close, equal 9. See, we turn 1, in turn 1, and now we applied all formulas, term 1, and subject is English, student name is Tania, term 1, term we go here first term, and student name is Tania, and English subject, marks is 89. See here 89, here also 89 marks. If I change this value, so for second term, if I change second term, here is English, student name Tania, same, subject is now English. So English marks term 2 to Tania, and English mark is 76, here 76 also, right? If I now I check subjects, if I change the subject is English, physics, term 2, physics subject, I go here, 90, here also 90 marks, Tania, 90 marks, right? Same, right? If I change the student names also, we check here it's working properly. So I click here, Kumar, Mr. Kumar, so Mr. Kumar to subject physics, Mr. Kumar 89, here 89, here also 89, right? So you can apply these all formulas, you can apply from other place also, match, choose, VLOOKUP, and list, data validation. You can apply these all formulas from other sheets also, anywhere also. If you have any question, any doubt you have, you write comments, and write on comment section, write your ideas and other thing. So next class we will meet. Thank you, goodbye.